Alright, what is up guys? I've been back with another video today. So I have a little story I gotta tell you. As I was driving around and I was at a stoplight, my car suddenly just shut off for no apparent reason. You know, I don't have any problems with my battery or my starter, my alternator, but it just, I don't know, for some reason it just stopped. So I went to O'Reilly's and they just scanned over everything, and then I had an engine light pop up, so they plugged in to my OBD2 sensor, and popped out the code that said P0345, and that turns out to be my crankshaft positioning sensor. I want to go ahead and bought one. Now I do want to say this, I originally got it from O'Reilly's, which cost me 88 bucks, that was including tax, and I went and called AutoZone and they gave it to me for 40 bucks. So if you want to save half the price, go ahead and go to AutoZone. There's not really difference in quality. They both have lifetime warranty, so just go ahead and save yourself some money. Go ahead and show you guys how to do this. It's very simple, and let's get to it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this little skid plate off. This is to cover up your transmission. So these are all gonna be 10 mil. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go ahead and get this taken off, and we'll be able to expose your crank position sensor. Good, actually. Alright guys, so we just took off that lower little skid plate. So your crankshaft position sensor is right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this little. Alright, so we just took off the connector. It's just this little tab right here that you press and just pull it out. You have one 10mm bolt right here that you gotta take out, and then this thing should just slide right out. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, does not look good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the difference is of the new one and the old sensor that was already in the car. So you can only come here. You're going to see this is extremely dirty, as it should be. I'm assuming it has this big gash right here. I'm not sure what that's from. The O-ring that's supposed to be right here is not there at all. I don't know if it was cracked and just obliterated inside or something, but that's not even there anymore. And yeah, so it's definitely time to switch over to this brand new one. So let's go ahead and put this in. You're just gonna repeat the process of taking it out. Just gonna slide it in, and hopefully it should just fit. There you go. And you are gonna have to use your the same bolt it came with. So just go ahead and put that same one back in. And hand tight should be good. You don't need a torquer. Okay. Put your sensor back, or your connector. Put your connector back on. So that's pretty much it. You're gonna put your skid plate back on, and you'll be done. So, Alright, so that's how you change your crankshaft positioning sensor in your 350Z. This is something that was very, very simple. It probably took me about 10 minutes altogether. So if you guys have time, you can easily do this. Everything with 10mm bolts. Hopefully should fix your problem if you have the same thing as I did, if your car just shutting off. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, and I will make sure to answer them. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, so you don't miss any other content that I post. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.